Hold on. Back up on me. Back up on me. All right. Let's get started. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna eat this food. Then we gonna get started. Said bye now. I'm already in my positions. I'm in 3 positions right now. I'm in a gold position too. Are you asking what I think about gold as in like trading it, or what do I think about prediction wise? I've been a sale. I've been in the gold sale for like 3 days now. I straight top tick that hoe. I got like a 1 to 20 risk RR right now on gold. I'm just riding gold down. You think you can check out the chart for a DeFi? Want to see if it tests lower levels? I'm not checking DeFi. I appreciate you. Um, I don't know if I'm doing that anymore, like different chart predictions anymore. I'll do my the setups that I trade, but people don't appreciate when you help them out and give them call outs. So I don't think I'm doing that anymore. You talking about some sale? Possibly. You could be looking for a sale. I'm already in a M and Q position that I'm just letting ride. Hold up. Let me type the name of my. I thought I already typed this stuff out, but let me type the name of it. There you go. You in a Nas sale? I'm in a Nas buy since I got a loan like down here somewhere. Somewhere down here. I'm in a loan. Bro, where is that going? Alright, there we go. I mean, I'm swing trading it though, so you could possibly see a sale. I'm already in a I'm already in a long position, so I'm not looking for a sale on it. There you go. No, Eddie. It could possibly do a short pull up, but like I said, I've been in a short for a while now, so if it pull back up, I'm still in profit. So if gold does pull back up, I don't think it's gonna shoot all the way back up to where it was just at. No. I'm not expecting gold to pull back up within this range right now. Yeah, I've been in the gold. I've been in this gold. I literally posted it on my freaking TikTok too. I've been in this gold since up here. So if it does pull up, the highest I think it will pull up, or what I would be looking for the highest for it to pull up would be here. That's the highest I would see it pull up. But even then, I don't see it pulling up that high. We're projecting off a daily FEG now. We got a daily FEG and a 4-hour FEG that we on now. I'm expecting price to continue back down lower. But if we do want to pull back up, I don't see price pulling up higher than here. So even if you wanted to catch your long, I mean, you just have to look for a good setup. But I don't expect gold to come all the way back up here right now. That's what I'm looking at. Bro, why do they keep doing that, bro? Yeah. I'm switching between gold and NQ. To good at it. Sit good that you look at it. Patch your tops. Good stuff, bro. Okay, shit. Oh, everybody passing a prop firm. Good stuff. Y'all trying to work your way back. Yeah, also remember, I'm swing trading it too. So, like, the little session pullbacks and what it does isn't like, I'm not worried about that. So if it does pull back, I'm not worried about a pullback since I'm already in that long sale. And I think it distributes back down lower. But I don't know how you trade. I don't know if you live trading. I don't know if you compound trading. So always take that into consideration as well. Bro, Eddie, I'm not giving no more call outs. You tell me if you see a sell or buy. You tell me. What do you see? Let's look at it. Let's look at MQ together. I'll go through it with you, bro. I'm gonna, cause you know how to you got it. You know how to trade. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Mark your zones out. Look, I'm gonna walk through it with you too. And you gonna see. Okay? I'm gonna go through it with you. You gonna see. You got it, bro. Okay? So depending on your strategy, even if you just marking your zones, and things like that, the market doing exactly what it's supposed to do. You just gotta look at what price is doing. Look at what prices already gave you. Price rejected off a daily FEG. We just rejected off. I say rejected, but bounced right off. Boom. So the supported off the daily FEG. We just supported off a 4-hour FEG. I mean, price is telling you what it's doing. Don't overthink it. Because I have that problem too sometimes. Like, I overthink what I'm looking at instead of just taking what the market is giving me. The market is giving you, look, the market is showing you what it's doing. But also, I don't know, like for my position, you got to take into consideration, like, these plays, I'm already in these plays. So, like, I understand the confusion where you at right now, because you might not have a position yet. So you're probably like, okay, what the hell? So just look at what market is giving you. Start on your higher time frames and go back down lower. Okay, the 4-hour, we found some support, bounce back up. I don't know if y'all run like fib levels or things like that, but also look at fib levels. Yeah, this shit go. Yeah, I know. I already know what this. I already think I have an idea where this shit going, bro. But run your fib levels and just see if it plays out. I don't know if you look at fib or anything like that, but I think that's a good tool to have in your bag as well. So okay, if you're trying to find an entry, okay, like price pulled up, okay. You don't buy when price is already long, and you always you go in. You go in when price is pulling back. You always buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. I'm not longing. I'm not. At least this is me. Since like the way I'm trading now, I'm not long. I'm not entering a long right here. Price is already long. Price is already high. If I was to enter a long, I'd be like, okay, what do I have? Okay, bearish OB. So if I'm looking for an entry, I'll be looking for a pullback, and price to continue to create a higher low. I'll be looking for a pullback of some type of sort, some type of support. If we get a support, then I will buy in. Okay, cool. I buy back in. Boom. Then take it back up. Because even if you just bought it here and bought it here, that's still like a 50-point move. That's still money for you. So when price is like already on the move, don't feel like you have to chase it. Because even here, like, take what the market is giving you. It's okay. Price is up. Okay, maybe you want to wait. Maybe okay, I'm gonna just wait and see if we get another pullback back down to buy in. Or maybe you like, okay, we at the ceiling. I feel like we're at the ceiling. I'm short in NQ and ES. Is that a good play? I'm not in the short on NQ. I'm riding this long out. But also, like, you can make money both ways. Just because I might be in a position long already does not mean you still can't take your short. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you could be playing that pullback. Like, there's so many different ways to make money. Like, you could be playing a pullback, and I could be playing a long, or you could be playing that long and letting it sit, and I could be playing that sell. So every session is different. It just depends on your session. It also depends on if you. It also depends on if you day trading, like day trading or swing trading it. What's the word, Dylan? Bro, why you say pause? What I said? What the hell? My live account is going good. I doubled my account in 2 days through the grace of God. But yeah, I now consider myself a profitable trader. Nux, I appreciate your follow. Yeah. What time I usually trade? It just depends. I mean, just depends on the setup. I'm usually live at night though. Live at night. I work in the morning, live at night. But yeah, I'm about to just show you my positions right now, so yeah, you know. This is Nasdaq on my live account. Entered in down here. You don't see that first position. I took it off. Entered down here before I took half profit. I entered in again here. So did you see what I'm saying? How I'm saying I'm already in this position. I loan from here. This is my loan position. Right here, the green. This is my entry for that long here. So I'm already in that. So any pullback, I'm not. I don't care about that. I'm already in his loan. Look at this shit. Like I'm already in that. So I don't care. It pulls back, take a short, whatever. That's why I'm like, you can make money both ways. Like I might be in a long term or like in there they play long term, but you might be waiting for a pullback. You know, be confident in yourself. Don't overthink it because I had that problem too. Now we can look at gold. Now this shit is nasty. Look at my entry on this motherfucker. And this is my entry on gold. And I've been holding this gold for a couple days now. So this is my entry on gold. I moved my stop loss down to a take profit zone. And gold is all the way down here. This is on a live account. Through the grace of God. So this, come on, man. And I'm scaling up. So like I'm scaling my live account. So once I build my capital up, these little plays right here gonna be printing 2K. I'm expected to make like a K a play once I really start scaling up. But this is my goal setup that I'm holding. So that's what I'm saying. It might go longer, do whatever. I don't care. I still expect it to go back down lower. So if it want to pull back up, do whatever it's due, I'm not phased because I'm already in profit. So either way, if it want to come all the way up here, I'm already in profit. And that's why I like. That's kind of why I like my live account more than the combine, because my live account I can swing trade and I can let my trades ride and I can take that full move. And this is a trade on GBP US. Look at this entry too. This is my entry for a short up here. Boom. I'm top ticking the fuck out of these, dude. Look at that. Took it from here. Price down here. So I'm already in profit. That's why I'm not like so worried. Like it might pull back, it might drop more. I'm okay with that. That's okay. Because either way, I'm still walking away with profit. What's the word, Barkley? What's the word, Barkley? Naomi, I appreciate your follow. I appreciate you. Lost 1,000, back to break even today. Good stuff. You got it. Good stuff. Keep doing your thing. You got it. Keep doing your thing, bro. God's child, I appreciate your follow too. Hey man, Barkley, funny as hell. I swear, Patrick. But yeah. But yeah, I most definitely been liking the live account a lot more. I'm able to let my trades just sit. It's a lot easier too, in a way. Like combine, I'm still gonna get back into my combine, but man, it's nothing like seeing your profit right in and earn. You don't gotta wait for no payout, no nothing. It's just profit. I'm not taking any positions tonight. I'm not buying or selling tonight. I'm already in three positions. I'm not buying or selling tonight. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my three plays. You see my entries. I mean, this entry here. And we're just gonna let these go. I'm in love with this gold trade, man. Was waiting like 2 days for this sale. Got wicked. Was in the sale here. Got wicked out. Got in the sale again here. Got wicked out. Boom. Caught it again when it came back down. Okay, cool. Boom. Finally caught it here. Like, look at that shit. Caught that sale here. Like, this 2 days trying to catch this sale. Like, kept getting wicked out. I'm like, all right, all right, all right, all right. Then finally, it popped. Finally. But yeah, I'm not trading the real market today since I'm already in my plays. I'll probably just do a little back testing today. Yeah, I'm in a live account. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. I'm telling you. So don't feel like you have to be like you have to be in a buy. You have to be in a sell. The market goes both ways. You can make money both ways. That's why you gotta trust yourself. Don't listen to everybody else. Dude, take the position that you see. Like even me, like just because I might see a short or see a long, don't mean you gotta take the same setup as me. We two different kinds of traders. We two different kind of people. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. What you want to see my TP on? Nasdaq, M&Q, GP, GBP. I've been on a live account for a week now. For yeah, almost a week. Yeah, tomorrow will be a week. 5 days a week, whatever you want to say. You want to see when I'm targeting on gold? I got you. This is what I'm targeting for gold for a full TP. 3250. I'm expecting gold to go back down and collect those lows on the higher time frame. But this freaking Chipotle just smacked, bro. I wish I had some. Wish I had some za. But nah. Yeah. I scale my stop loss sometimes. But I'm not scaling my stop loss on these plays because I expect it to go down. I expect my TPs to get hit. But if it breaks, that's what I'm saying. So even in gold, right? I don't need to scale it down. I mean, I could scale it down if I want to. But if I'm scaling it down, I could just take profit now. Like, look at this shit. Right. I got a what? Bro! Look at my shit. That's a 1 to 42. I'm in a fucking 1 to 42. Oh, I'm fucking goated, dude. Hold up. I'm fucking goated, bro. Oh, my God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for just shit, blessing. Helping me learn. But yeah, I'm targeting. I think it goes a little bit lower though. Thank God. I threw my trash away, but didn't throw my food away. I mean, I didn't throw my freaking fork in the dishwasher. Chips and salsa, chips and salsa. Bruh, Tyler, nobody ever said that. You literally just made that shit up at the back of your freaking hand. He said because you taught your dad. Who the hell? And nobody ever said that ever. He just made that shit up. But I do recommend the app. I recommend using FX Replay or just paying for TradingView so you can do like replay testing and paper trading. So I recommend either just paying for the TradingView subscription or just using free FX Replay. I can't believe you just made that shit up though, Tyler. What the hell? He said because you taught your dad. I ain't never did that. I told my parents I will want to teach them though. At least how to option trade, how to read like basic charts. Honestly, I won't even have to teach my parents. I will literally just tell them when to buy and sell. It's not that big. Those are my mom and dad. I'll just tell them when to enter option trade. You try not to set up a scale, a stop loss, and just let it flow. You can do that, but you can scale your stop loss down. But it kind of just depends on the play. At least for me, it depends on the play. Like a play like this, I'm not scaling. Like, that's the difference between kind of like, it's just a difference in the play. Like, if you're taking a quick play, or you're like kind of unsure, yeah, you can kind of scale. Or if you're in a combine and you kind of like, okay, like you're already up profit, you don't really want to lose that profit, then yeah, scale it in. But like when I'm like swing trading like this, I don't need to scale it because I'm targeting a bigger move. So it kind of just depends on the play. Like whatever your setup looks like, then go for that. Whatever you see, then go for that. No, I'm not trailing a stop. I'm not trailing the stop because I know it's. I want it to go back down lower. I'm not gonna say I know, but I'm expecting it to. I'm expecting it to drop down lower. I'm expecting it to hit my full TP. So I won't scale it. I won't scale with my swing trades. I'm not scaling down unless we broke a high. Like if we broke a swing high. If we broke a swing high, then that's a change in state or break in structure. So then I know, okay, price is gonna run in the opposite direction. So let me go ahead and take profit. Price hasn't did any of that, so I'm not scaling in. I'm waiting for that much just to keep dropping. I started trading this year. I've been trading for 6 months now, but I'm 23 though, so I've been trading for 6 months, and I'm 23. Nobody, I appreciate your follow too. 100, yeah, 100 is good. But just invest whatever you can afford, whatever's in your budget. It could be $10, $5, $50, $1,000, $50,000, whatever works for you. 100 is good. Anything is good if it works for you. I'm about to turn this music back on too, y'all. Man, I ain't gonna fake it. But yeah, that's kind of what we looking at. That's our positions that we're in. I'm not looking to enter anything tonight. I'm just kind of looking at to do some little back testing tonight. We'll check in and out these positions, but yeah. I do trading on the side right now. I'll eventually do trading. I'd say full time, but I'll eventually do trading full time in a way. What's the word to pay? What's thy word, brother? Hold on, y'all. I gotta turn my tunes back on, y'all. Straight ears dry. Ay 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 ay. Uh-oh. Hey. Uh-oh. I mean, you have to get the income first to do trading full time. Just because I'm making profits now, I still got to build up income. Gold not. I don't think gold going. I mean, it depends what you're targeting. Gold can go back up for a little bit, but I'm already in that sale. I don't think gold goes back up here. But it depends on what you're targeting. 33.80, possibly. See, like that's a realistic target. That's a realistic target to be targeting. I'm not targeting that shit because I'm already in this. Look at this shit. I literally have a 1 to 42 RR on this fucking gold trade. Who the hell do you know got a 1 to 42 RR? What's the word, cuzzo? Oh, you want me to turn it up? Look, I'm gonna restart that whole too. Look, on me, this shit been on repeat all fucking day, bro. I'm on personal right now. Oh, and I'm about to replay that shit too. This shit got me. God is good, dude. Like, I didn't realize like how much better and how good I was doing until today. Like, I sat back and asked myself, I was like, wait, like, motherfucker, you making profit? And I was like, oh shit. Like, I'm really like I'm really doing this shit. Cause where you at, man? I'm trying to get on the game tonight, boy. Nigga, I need some za. I need some goddamn za. I'm not looking at Coast. Man, I know. I feel bad. I'm sorry for some of like the new people who come in and watching me, bro. That shit. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Oh my god. Sean, I appreciate your follow. All right, I'm just talking. I'm about to do some back testing in a little bit. It's 8:47. I'm me. Say no more, cause yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna be on live today. I shouldn't be on. I shouldn't be on too long. But yeah, that's how we looking, y'all. I just had to like I had to just realize that because this whole time I was like, damn, I'm not doing good, or I felt like I wasn't doing good, or then I really sat there and thought about it. I'm like, wait, shit, like you are doing good. You are doing what you need to be doing. I just thank God. So honestly, here, quick little goal, right quick. If y'all know, I talked about AMD for a long, like I talk about AMD a lot. So if you've been in my lives, you know what AMD is, and if you know AMD, this is accumulation. So what do we do when we see accumulation? What are we waiting for? I'm about to draw it out too. Can I draw it out on here? Yeah. So what are we waiting for? We waiting for either a sweep of a sell side liquidity. Hold on. I'm about to redraw that. You looking for either a sweep of a sell side liquidity, then you looking for a distribution back higher, like that, or you're looking for a sweep of buy side liquidity in a distribution back down lower. But once you get an idea how to like trade AMD, you can trade that manipulation. But to really know how far that derivative or how far that price is gonna go down, you run your derivative, you run your fib, and that fib is gonna tell you how far they're gonna run up on liquidity before they reverse. That's why I keep preaching. That's why I keep preaching learning your fib. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. Oh. Yeah. But I'm just gonna do some replay trading today, and I'm gonna trade the MEQ today. I'll probably do a little go back testing as well, but bro, what's crazy? I'm in like a hard spot right now. Teach you the fib, yeah. I'm in like a hard spot right now because like I've been teaching every like since I've been learning for like the past like month. I've been teaching and helping out for free, like. And like people don't seem to appreciate the things that you give away for free. So I'm at the point now to where it's like, all right, I'm starting to see my own personal growth and I'm starting to make my own profit. At this point, I'm gonna just start a mentorship. I don't even, I don't even know if I just want to keep giving away shit for free, bro. At this point, bro, you just gonna have to watch my videos, shit. Mm-hmm. That's how I'm feeling lately, bro. Like people don't appreciate that shit. They don't appreciate that shit, bro. But I got you. But since I'm so fucking nice, I got you. I got you. I'm gonna be using my fib anyway. I use my fib anyway to when I do my charting. So I'll kind of explain it and go over it a little bit when I'm doing it. Yeah, I got you, bro. That's why I keep telling people. I've been telling people for the past month. That's why I feel bad for like all the people who just now meeting me, like who just now seeing me. Because I've been saying for like the past month, learn with me while it's free. Just keep learning. Ask me any question you want, everything for free. Either you gonna listen or don't listen, because once I start making profit, it's gonna be straight mentorship. Because my time is valuable now. Like I don't need to. What the hell? I don't need to teach you. What the fuck? It's not my job. But no, I got you. All right, we're gonna do like some MEQ back testing though. So let's get it. Let's turn our music back on. All right. So one thing, this price is going down. I think this is gonna go down. Just by looking at it, I could see a sell. But let's just play it out and see. That's my first initial thought when I see it. But just because you might think something one way, you don't have to be right that first initial thought. It's okay to be wrong. Like losing is part of it. Okay. So what I do, this is the weekly too. So I'm starting out on the weekly. So look and see what price is doing. Yeah. Still making higher lows. Price came down here. Price came to this order block, had some nice rejection off this order block here. Okay. Looks like we had some accumulation. This was manipulation. Like we accumulated. So that AMD setup. Man, I was just talking about AMD. Oh. And look, and since you just started trading, I would say learn. It goes by 3 names: AMD, Power 3, and Turtle Soup. I think that's probably one of the, like, if you just learn that, like your phases, market phases, you will be in a really good spot really, really early. So I really highly suggest you learning AMD. Like, learn AMD. Learn AMD. And that's what makes the difference between like understanding, really understanding price action, AMD and Fib. Like that's what really makes the difference of really understanding price action than just people who taking this quick scalpy. I'm about to show you AMD right now. I'm not looking at Tesla. I use a mix. I use a mix of ICT, order flow, volume. But within that, I use fair value gaps, order blocks, my Fib, AMD. I use quarters theory, harmonics, Elliott waves. And low volume nodes. There's different kind of ways of order flow as well. Include blowing you. AMD, I got you. Yeah, user, I can tell you don't understand that all your strategies work together. Damn, that came off as an asshole. I ain't trying to be an asshole, but everything works together as one puzzle piece. It's simple. I mean, it's simple to me. It might sound like a lot to you, but it's simple for me. Yeah, I'm gonna show you AMD too. Sorry, yeah, I keep freaking talking. What you want, a reward? Congratulations. My nigga want a cookie. It depends what kind of order flow. Like it depends what kind of order flow as well. Like you can use order flow as in just like delta footprints, volume, profiles, or things like that. But I use order flow as in just a way of like breaking structure or changing state. Or changing state direction. But I like the way I trade, like I like catching like the full legs. So kind of what I was saying, like in my gold setup here, like this is my entry on my gold for this sale. Like I like catching full legs. Like I don't like being in and out of a trade. That's not the kind of trader I am, because it's like if you're able to like catch a full leg of a move, that's money print. Like that's really money printing. The more comfortable you get and the more profit you start getting. All right, but this would be AMD. This would be AMD. So AMD would be, it starts out with accumulation. So that's why a lot of times where like also, that's why a lot of times where people be like, oh, Asia session is so slow. Asia session is so slow. Your Asia session is usually your accumulation. So that's usually your accumulation phase. That's why it's always kind of like feel like it's slow, it's choppy. That's a session. Like, so that'll be your accumulation phase. So during that accumulation phase, your price creates equal highs and equal lows. So your price it would be something like this. So what did price do? Price created some equal highs, some equal lows in a zone. So this would be your accumulation. Then the second part of the AMD would be your manipulation. So when you manipulate, kind of what I was saying earlier, you're looking for a sweep of a sell side liquidity, or you're looking for a sweep of a buy side liquidity. So what did price? We're not even gonna look to the right, even though we just saw it, but we're not gonna look to the right. What did price do? Okay, price came down. We swept the sell side liquidity. Then you're kind of just looking for that reversal point. Okay, we have an order block down here. This is on the weekly as well. So these moves are going to be bigger. So you have this order block down here, this bullish order block down here. Then you had this weekly FVG down here. So those would be the points of interaction. Those would be the points where I'm like, okay, I'm looking for some type of rejection on some type of rejection in either some type of support. If I didn't get this support and price ran through, then I'm like, okay, yeah, price is gonna sell off a little more. But if you want that AMD setup, what do we want? We wanted to sweep a sell side, then we wanted to find some support, then distribute back higher. And that's just what price did here. It just happens. Thank God that we found one. There was one right here, right before we did this replay. But yeah, so that would be like an AMD in short form. But I always say, like, watch some YouTube videos on it. So that'd be your accumulation, manipulation lower. Then usually you play it back up to the high. You can play it back to the high because usually when you get your AMD setup, price just distributes back higher, up to the high. So accumulation, manipulation, and distribution phase. And that would be like your AMD setup right there. Yep. So that's the AMD, and it goes both ways. So you always start with the accumulation though, or you might manipulate higher then distribute lower. But here, accumulate, manipulate lower, then distribute back higher. But yeah, then like harmonics, I know and this is what I was saying also to I'm already making profit, but okay. But I appreciate you though, user. I ain't gonna give up. I appreciate you though. Law love user too. Keep doing your thing. You said cap. Whatever you think. I love when people doubt you too. Yeah. I love that. Ooh, I love that. I literally just showed you my live account trade already. This is literally a live account gold trade right here. Yeah, you want that proof now? Yeah, show proof. Damn, I love that shit. But yeah, I appreciate your follow too, Key. I appreciate you. Yeah, that's my live account. But yeah, I just started like seeing profit though. Yeah, I've already deposited money into my bank this week. Like I said, I just started. Yeah, like that's what I'm saying. Like people get mad when they trade longer than you. Then like I don't get it. Like it's no competition at all. Like it's this song I just listened to. If I'm making money and you making money, the fuck is we beefing about? Nigga, we both make. Who gives a fuck? Make your money, I'ma make my money. Shit. And call it a day. Shake hands on it and call it a day. Yeah, I'm on a live account. I'm on a live. Yeah, I don't get it. Like that's what I'm saying. When I started doing like day trading, they're like people are so like I don't know, man. People get so mad and like it's like it always feel like they want to butt heads. Like who gives a fuck? Make your money and call it a day. Let me make my money, you make your money. There's so many different ways to make money in the market. And just go on about your business. Just go on about your business. Yeah, niggas get mad. I've been training for 6 months. Let me see. Nigga, it's all glory to God. Like, studying 16 hours a day. I'm going to get back in the prop firm once I get back from vacation. I've been training for 6 months. Like I said, I just started a live account recently. And yes, I've been making profit on my live account I've blown 5 or 6 evals. I posted about it. Then I moved into a live account because I'm like, man, this freaking eval, I'm a way better swing trader than like that eval, like session trader. Like that's what I'm saying. Like my kind of like trading style, I'm better at catching the long, like that long leg. But I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna do another prop firm once I get back from my vacation. So I'll do another prop firm like the second week of August, March, April, May, June, July. Yeah, like the second week of August or something like that. Yeah. Oh man, it's not a competition at all with anybody. Like, can't we all just be friends? Why can't we make money together and call it even? Like it's so much money to go around. So much money to go around. Anywho, whatever, bro. But yeah, I really like AMD. If you do AMD, I personally think AMD is like very important to learn. At least that's just my opinion. Other people might have different opinions, but that's why I always say like do your own research, of course. Like don't take what I say and run with it. Don't ever do that. Don't ever take what someone tells you and just run with it. Take the things I might say and do your own research. Do your own back testing on it. And you become better. You gonna learn what works best for you and you go with that. But yeah, also I know somebody asked me about my fib too. So I have a lot more levels on my fib than you might see. But but yeah, you just run your fib kind of like from order block to order block. This is the weekly, so it'll have a little bit more significance to it. So this is why when I came on here, I'm like, dang, I can kind of see a sale. Because for me, like a selling range or a retracement range, like a buying range is between my 6-1 and my 88. That's usually where I'm looking for like a rejection pop or like a continuation, or that's why I'm looking to like buy and sell. And I match that up with an order block and fair value gap. So that's usually what I try to look for. It might not be pretty all the time. You might not get the fair value gap in order block. Maybe you just get the order block, or maybe you just get the fair value gap. But it's always better when you have like that double confirmation. I'm on a live account. Yeah, I'm on the MEQ right now. Uno, I appreciate your follow. I appreciate your follow. All right, I'm turning my music back on. Then I'm gonna get back testing. But yeah, we're still in this gold setup. So all the new people. This is why I'm not placing any trades today because I'm already in some setups today. Uh, well, I've been in this I've been in this gold trade for like 3 days, 2 days, 3 days now. So in this gold there, then I'm in this Nasdaq here. I took this long here. There, that's my entry there for that Nasdaq. And that's why like sometimes y'all might ask me like, oh, is it short or long? Like I'm not worried about it. Like I'm already in that play and already kind of like in profit. So I expect it to run up more, but if they like you still get pullbacks. So if price want to pull back, that's okay. Let it pull back and do what it do. And that's kind of why I like live trading a little bit more because it's a little bit lighter on you. Like you don't have to be so stressed out. Oh, I gotta get this trade in before 3 p.m. tomorrow. And this is my last trade on GBP USD. I took a sale entry here. Then I expect this to go down lower as well. I'm targeting low. Where's my TP? Did I delete my TP? Oh, yeah. I'm targeting it down here. So this is another, like these trades that I'm in, they're going to be sitting for a while. That's why I'm not really like taking any setups right now because I'm already in these little plays. But yeah. No, I don't trade overnight on funded. Wait, I guess like when I was trying to do my eval, I trade the Asia and London session. Peace, I appreciate your follow. Yeah, I'm just back testing MEQ right now. I'm not looking at any setups today since I'm already in one. Since I'm already in some. You in a long on what? What ticker symbol you looking at, Noble? All right, I keep talking. I can't even freaking practice. Hold on. Sorry, yeah, I know I be yapping. Got this weekly. I would be looking for a sell-off right here, only because I see my fib, and we got this. We got a weekly FEG that we're in now. Then we have this weekly bearish order block that we're in as well. So we're just gonna mark this stuff out. And what I'm gonna do today, I'm just practicing kind of like my fib levels today. So I'm not looking for like perfect sniper entries or doing anything like that. I kind of just want to practice my fib levels just to get better at like my entries and things like that off my fib. So that's what I'm working on today. Just kind of getting better at trying to use my fib. Yeah, I think this shit by the reverse. Oh yeah, we already reversing. Yeah. Now this is where I want to practice my fib level, because I'm like, okay, if I look at my weekly and my daily when I ran my fib, this is all in a selling range for me. Yeah, this would be in a selling range for me. Then when I went down to my daily, we've already kind of sold off. So with me just practicing my fib levels, I wouldn't want to see price. I honestly wouldn't want to see price get above this 113 to be safe. But if I'm like, I could just put it above 100 if I really want to. Then I will be targeting back down towards the 0. And I think one of the I'm trying to get better at the MEQ too with my fib levels, because the hardest thing about like the MEQ that I notice as well is that we're creating higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So it's a lot harder to kind of catch like those big time frame moves, or so that's kind of what I'm practicing. This probably go back up for a little bit. Like we had a little AMD right here. So price probably gonna move back up. But I'm looking for a dump. But yeah, price sold out right here. That would have been that entry right here. Remember when I say like my fib between that 61 and 88? Here's a good example right here. When I was talking about my fib level, my optimal buying range, between my 61 and my 88. And what I pair with a order block and an FEG. Order block, FEG, where price rejected from. And you see how it dumped off? Even if you just caught that little sale there. I just say I'm in a negative already. I hate that back testing stuff sometimes. But okay. Hold up. 1 second. I think I see something. Hold up. I do think this still go back lower. Might be able to get a better entry though. Let me get another candle. There we go. Yep. We saw that AMD on the 4-hour here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution back down to the high side, taking out these highs. I would still be looking for a sell-off and just waiting for a sell-off. So that's what I would be waiting for. There we go. Hold on. I want to try this. I'm going to try this weekly. Yeah, I'm going to try this actually. I'm going to try this. We projected from it once. Honestly, yeah, highs equal lows. You could target the 38. me get some more. That's what I would want to see. Oh, and I wouldn't want to see. What I wouldn't want to see is. Hold up. Damn, I couldn't even put my stop loss. Hold up. Well, shit. I'm just gonna take that as an L right here because I would have put my stop loss. I would have put my stop loss right above this 113. So I'm taking it. I'm gonna take that as an L. But I still think that goes back down for me. Yeah, I would still want to see this go back. Now let's see what they want to do. There it is. Okay, that's what it is. Okay. So look. So where I just entered that at right there, I entered in between. I entered right at my 88. What I need to probably do when I trade my MNQ on a higher time frame, if I'm swing trading it, I probably have to wait till it goes a little bit up on my derivatives. So right where I entered in here, we still had this high to the left. So maybe that's what I do on my MNQ when I trade it. I still want to see if this gonna play out for me. I would still think that rejection goes back down either to the 0 or that 25. It went right to that 3.8 where we had it at the first time. Right there. Yeah. And it went back down to the fucking 0. That's what I'm fucking saying. I just gotta get that entry right. Because if I can get that entry and that timing right, I can literally bottom and top ticket. Just off the fib. Just like that. So it went right. MNQ be a bitch sometimes because it's so manipulated. Okay. So instead of when I'm running my fib, I'm kind of talking to myself, but to y'all. So when I'm running my fib on my higher time frame, when I'm doing the MNQ, because the MNQ moves different than trading gold or Forex. So if I'm doing my MNQ, I should wait for it to get maybe to my 113. It rejected off the 138, but maybe I wait for it to go to my 113 or whatever my liquidity is, then it reverses back down to that 0. Okay. I like that. Hopefully that make a little sense of what I'm kind of looking at. Just practicing my fib level. Okay. Yeah. That makes a little bit more sense because we still had that high where we entered that. We still had this high to the left. My first initial thought when I enter that, I'm like, okay, we're already in this order block. We already kind of rejected off that weekly FEG. So let's not look to the right. So this is here. And we was rejecting off here. So I'm like, okay, then I saw this red candle on the weekly tick out these two lows to the left. I'm like, okay, that looked like we wanted to go down now. Price decided no, ran up a little bit more on liquidity. Then I can run my other fib. Yep. Right at the 200. Okay. That's making a little bit more sense to how I need to run my fib levels. This is just back testing though. I'm on back testing right now. You said aim too big and it still hit. Yeah, it kind of be like that though. It kind of be like that. That's what I'm trying to get used to, like running, like using the higher time frame to swing trade on the MNQ. Because it likes to create, it likes to create the higher lows, and that's the hardest part. It's trying to catch to see how far it wants to go down on liquidity. That's kind of what I'm going to practice today. Costa, good stuff. Good stuff on your eval. You got it, bro. Good stuff. Oh, okay. Sorry, I missed one of your chats. I see you. Currently on 3 eval to aim big and end up losing. Yeah. That's kind of why I say, like, if you aim too big, that's why I kind of say run your fib. I like to run it on my, at least if I'm trading, I like to run it on my. Bro, why the hell did my Alexa just talk, bro? I like to run it on my 4 hour, my day 4 hour, weekly. Please delete the extension. What are you talking about? What you talking about? Oh, what's the word, Jazz? If I ain't said it already, how you doing? How does it go, girl? How does it go now? How does it go now? How does it go now? I'm gonna try to stay on this session and try to just pick up where it left off at. Okay. Took the low. I mean, I already know this would be a buy, just off running my field. I mean, yeah. Took all them freaking lows. And this is on the weekly. Like, that was a weekly. Oh, here it is right here. Yeah, this shit gonna go right back up to the high side. We got this AMD. This is like a weekly AMD right here, honestly. It's a little choppy. Let's go down to my daily and see if we got anything better. It's a little choppy, but yeah, this looks like a little AMD. I would consider that. Honestly, I don't know if I would consider this AMD, but it's most definitely like consolidation. Yeah, bro. This is what I would want to see. And I'm just trying to get better. I'm trying to get better at running this fib on this NASDAQ. Because that's the hardest thing right now. Because how manipulated that NASDAQ is. And since the NASDAQ like to correct them not equal highs and lows, but like to, yeah, bro. NASDAQ like to correct I keep wanting to say equal highs and lows. Highs and lows. April 10th. What date is this? April 14th. Even if I wanted to. And I'm just using higher time frame. Weekly, daily. Yeah, bro. Oh, hold up. Let me put a stop loss. Take under the 20. Put it back under the 25. Honestly, I'm gonna try this out. Try to put it by the 0. Another fucking green bean! Another fucking green bean! I love that fucking fib, baby. And it went back. It's gonna go back up there. I love that fucking fib. Dude, I love that fucking fib. Oh, I love that fib. Oh, that fib is so golden, dude. Yeah, dude. We got this. We got this, dude. That fib is so good. I love that fib. Your NASDAQ look way. What you mean? I'll go over AMD for you. I got you. Scub, the fib is to go, bro. Like I keep telling people, learn AMD and you learn your fib, bro, you will be printing. Scoob, I appreciate your follow. Yep. And that's how I keep here. This is not the real chart, but that's how I keep I keep getting like way better entries on here. Like this entry here for this sale. Cause I'm running that fib. I got this entry on my NASDAQ. This green line. Then I'm in love with this gold trade, y'all. Like I have a 1 to 42 RR on a gold trade. What? Even if you just go down to where price is at now. Look at this. I guess I could do this. Even if you do 1 to 16. Or even if you just, if I enter here, stop loss above here, that's still the 1 of 5. But I'm not targeting that. I'm targeting this. This is what I'm targeting. For that gold. But yeah, I've been getting a way better at running that fib though. I love that fib. So it just took the high. I would say this is kind of accumulation, manipulation, distribution in a way. It doesn't look pretty, but on the higher time frame, I mean, it kind of is accumulation. Then look, to see how far it manipulates down, a lot of people don't even know this. To understand, like if you have AMD, you can see how far they're going to run up on liquidity before they reverse. So if price manipulates down, you run your fib from the low to the high of that range. And my key reversal points that I usually look for is 200 and 261. I have my 300, 361, and 400 just in case I like to run on liquidity. So if we get past my 261, okay, I'm targeting the 300. But I wouldn't enter this until I see this, like get back up to my 261. Boom. That's why I entered her here on this buy when it came here. I saw it was at my 261, so I knew we were going to reverse back up. Then when I ran my fib from my high to my low, no, that's not the right. Yeah, when I ran my fib from my high to my low, and what I say, my buy range is usually between my 61 and my 88. So I know even if price was to create a lower high, I know if they wanted to pull back, they would go up into the 61 and 88 range. That's why I moved my take profit down, just in case they wanted to create a higher low and run down a little bit more. So at least I would be able to take profit where they want to reverse it, if that makes any sense. This is TradingView. This is my live. Like if you see this, box, I'm in my live account. You got at the top of the wick, but this shit ain't holding. What you trading, Chase? Fair value gaps lock in. I think MQ might run up. But I'm playing long term. Long term, I think it runs up some more. Oh my goodness! And of course we're trading a. Of course we're trading a higher high. Of course we're trading a higher high right now. I guess it's a little bit more practice for me. Hold up. Uh-oh. Let me turn my music back on too. Uh-oh. Ay. Uh-oh. Are you in any trades tonight, Jazz, or you looking to see what you see tonight? Now I just want to see this. We at the 113. Could possibly have a little pullback here. Oh, that's it. That's not bad. just took out the highs. We're creating higher lows. Oh, I can't trade this anymore. All right, let's go to a different time frame. They won't let me. They won't let me click a random date. Hold on. Chilling right now. I feel you. Why won't it let me? It won't let me pick a random time frame. Jazz, can you pick a random date to back test? It won't let me pick a random date, and I'd rather have somebody in the chat pick a random date, cause I don't want to hear. Oh my God, you had that set in place. You knew what was gonna happen before it even happened. I'm not even trying to hear that shit. 425. What year? Are you looking at 425-25? Are you looking at 425-2019, 425-24? Or are you looking at just the month 425 year? For 25. Is that the same date I was just on? You literally just guessed it. That was just literally the same date I was just on. Oh. Is it? Yeah. Wait, no. I'm tripping. Sorry. Here we go. Oh, yeah. I just traded this. 320. Oh, me. You picked the same time frame I was just trading. Trading gold. I'm in a gold trade already, but this is hold on, I got you. Yeah. This is just an aspect test right here. 322.25. Okay. Well, let's pick a different year. I already know this going up. Let's do three. I'm gonna do 320. I'm gonna do 322.24. I already know this price is going up. 324.22. Damn, you one day off. You one day off from my birthday. Oh damn. Of course you pick another date. What the hell? It's a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur on TradingView. What? It says you made your way through all available data. We hope it was useful. We're always focused on providing you with the most complete data. Huh, that's what the dinosaur said. Yeah. Oh shit. What just happened? What just happened? Alright, here we go. Let's try it again. I've never seen it pop up a dinosaur. Yeah, I like this challenge. You picked, of course, you pick a day where it's making a higher, like we had higher highs too. All time highs. Damn, all time highs be a bitch. All right, let's lock in. We just took the highs. Change the structure, creating higher highs. I feel like with something like this, I will probably use quarters theory. Because we're creating higher highs. We're already at the high. targeting this. I'll probably target this 21. You don't work that, you don't eat. You don't work that, you don't eat. Watch. I'm about to see something. This can reverse soon. Yep. Right at the 200 derivative. This is probably going back down to this order block. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I'm about to run 2 fibs actually. I see something. I'm about to get please. Yeah. Monkey want to see it come here. If you don't work, then you don't eat. If you don't work, then you don't. Oh, hold on. Well, my stop loss would have got hit. So I'm gonna take this as an L, cause I would have put my stop loss. I would have put my stop loss right above these highs right here. Either right above here or just 13. Yep, that's stop loss right there. So I'm gonna count that as an L. Boom. So right here, what I would have been looking for, I would have been looking for the continuation buy, but I would have been looking for price to come a little bit lower into that FEG. It edged me right here. So would have took, it came down a little bit, but it just didn't come all the way down here. Bounce up to 382. I would have been looking for that. Yeah, I would have been looking for price to come down a little bit more. Taking out these basically equal highs and equal lows right here. This is inducing right here. But I still think this might sell back off. Let me get another candle. Oh, this probably about to go to this 261. If you don't work, then you don't eat. Damn, yeah, I like this time frame. Hold on. Oh, I didn't even see this. We had AMD accumulation. We just manipulated lower and we distributed back up to the high side. I didn't even see that. And look at this. I could have caught that shit. You run it from the low to the high. And what did we reverse that on our fib? Right at the 200. I still would have wanted it to come down though. Motherfucker act like it couldn't come down and hit me for a TP. We right at the 113. I still see a sale, bro. Hold on. I'm about to try to get another entry. Hold on. I'm switching between the daily and weekly right here. Yep. There we go. You getting that money and I'm getting that money. The fuck is you thinking I'm out? You get that money and I'm getting that money. The fuck is you speaking about? You get that money and I'm getting that money. The fuck is you speaking about? You get that money and I'm getting that money. The fuck is we beefing about? I hate when to do this in your back testing session. Oh, you can't even see my the profit. I mean, you can't even see the not the profit, but you can't even see the line like the what it's doing. All right, I'm about to move down time frames. Single liquidity in the beginning. Yeah. You getting money and I'm getting money. The fuck is we beefing about? This might want to run up on liquidity a little bit more. Fuck is we thinking? I mean, run down on liquidity a little bit more. What's beefing about? Beefing about? Fuck is we beefing? What? See what I'm saying? Like, look at my position. Still don't want to. Oh, that's why you didn't see it all. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing it. Still don't want to try your app. Look. I guess today I asked, what is your app? Oh, me like it's Shark Tank. You getting about? Yeah, this would still be a buy range for me. I don't know what you speaking about. If you get that money, I ain't gonna know what we beefing about. Alright. Hold on, I'm about to get banned playing this song. Hold on. I'm gonna get banned playing that shit. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. I wanted to stay on like one like session to just rack up all my profit today. You got the money, got the honey. No stop me. I'm trying to get soft, get soft. Hold on, let me see one more candle. What time frame did I just enter? Cause it's saying I'm down profit. What? There we go. Hold on. I want to try to bottom tick this a little bit. That's why I keep running my fib levels because I'm trying to make sure I see what I see. Like I see this going back up to the hot side. What's your time? I'm just back testing right now. Yeah. I got some live trades going on right now, so that's why I'm not looking for any. That's why I'm not like marking up the real charts right now. I already got some plays going. Yeah, I can see that. I can see a loan too. Hoping for a Green Day tomorrow. Then I have 10 on me. Good stuff. Hurry, let me. Super, what's your app? They said the earnings. The earnings come out. That I don't know. I haven't paid attention actually. Oh, you didn't trade today. Yeah, I don't know. I technically didn't trade today. I got some swing trades going right now. But alright, yeah. I see this thing elonging back up. Just looking at my fib levels as well. I saw my hold on. See another candle. Yeah. Hey yo, that bud just longed up, then it came right back down. Oh, it's a trade journal. Still being so down hit. Super DM me, bro. Oh, Tesla Erlings. Yeah, I don't trade Tesla. Anyway. Got me high. I know that you can stay friends. And it's so light. I can't take a look anything. As you take my round. You can take good to get the pros to Let's get out. Get out. Head out. Right now. Right now. It keeps changing. Like for some reason, my thing keeps changing. I appreciate your follow too, Super. About 500 ninjas. I appreciate you. Is it possible to use AI and win? I don't use AI, but I'm sure you can. I know people create bots all the time. You usually trade SPY and QQQ. Yeah, I trade gold and M&Q. Yeah, daily stop loss here. Okay, so here. Okay, so prices started to come back down into this weekly OB and rejected off. I would have wanted price to loan from here, and we could have knew that. I mean, it's kind of hard to be exact when you back testing. That's why you don't. I just take back testing with a grain of salt. Like, so here, when we originally entered, price loaned here. Once we saw that breakdown, we of course we would have had our TP up, so we would have took some profit. But once price broke through, we already took profit. Then that's when you can look at your other derivative levels on your fib to see, okay, if they didn't bounce off from the 70, where they might want to go. Okay, they want to go, probably they want to run down to the 88. Then you just look for your next order block in FEG. Because it came in there at first, then it bounced up, it rejected. Then once it rejected, we got this big old wick, and we came right back down. Yeah, that might want to go back up. Take this back up to the 0. Hold on, I don't want to get wicked out here. This is the reversal zone too. It's a possible reversal zone. A possible reversal zone. So I would want to see what price does. I'm still in this. Oh, I'm taking profit here. Yeah. I came right back down to that, close to my stop loss. I mean, right to my position. Yeah, I'll take profit there. Now we look for that entry. Price might want to come down a little bit more. I don't know. We just rejected of this daily. Let me see another candle because this could be that reversal back up again, right where I took profit at. Okay. This would be one of those zones where I would probably set like some limit buys. This a little tricky time right here. Hold on. Yeah, I can see it shooting back up too, but I would want to see it. Oh, I'm on MEQ. What's the word? Secret. But I would want to see where what fib level is reversing at. That's kind of where I want to study. Cause it's in that buying range, but it's kind of like teeter tottering right here. Yeah, bro. I might take that loan back up from here. Let me go back to my weekly and run that weekly fib right quick. Yeah. I might get back in that loan right here. Let me see. Let me see a couple more candles. I want to see one more 4 hour. Actually, I want to see one more. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, but even if you just take it back up to the 0, I'm gonna try to stop loss under here. These are 4 hour candles too. Stop loss right under this order block. I mean, right under this order block here. It didn't even let me click anything. All right, well, whatever. It wouldn't even let me take profit. Okay. I still gonna loan this. They wouldn't even let me take profit right there. They making sure I don't get that profit, huh? There it is. I want that. Probably put this back up. Mm, 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 mm. no secret. Perfect. So what it did was perfect. Okay. So if you look on your weekly, it came up into that selling range, creating that lower high, and it went lower, and we failed to create a lower low. It's going to go back up. It's just about catching it when it goes back up. I still want it. I still want that. Okay. Yeah. Then this now you can kind of set a trailing here. So it bounced off that 70 on that fib. So it did go back down to that fib level. Yeah. Right between that buying range. It came right into this order block and FVG here. We got an order block and FVG here. I'm just gonna mark it up whole because it's the order block and FVG there. You can have a trailing. I'm gonna go down to a lower time frame to try to follow it a little bit, just in case it wants to dump back down. But I see this completing this cycle back upward. Well, yeah, let's get a little bit more candles coming out. Still holding up. Still holding up. Here, and this is where you watch out from too. We didn't create a lower. We didn't create a lower low. Still not creating a lower low there. We broke this low here, so now I would want to move. Now I would want to move like a trailing. Like I will put a trailing, just in case price went to dump. Yep. Boom. This is where I would have, like, that's why I would have a trailing there. So I don't add my trailing until I see price break a low. So price broke a low and continued lower. So once it broke a low, that's a change of structure. So price is heading downward. So once price does that for me, then I would set that trailing. I will still hold this. I'm still going to hold this out because I still see it distributing back up to the high side. But I'm just going to kind of follow it a little closely to try to take. I want to take a little bit. I want to take a little bit more profit than what I'm taking now. So I'm just going to look at price and try to map out what do I see. Oh, my headphones died. Sorry if I missed some chats too. I'm kind of just back testing. Super, you DM me. I'll check it once I'm done. You DM me. Trays, I appreciate the follow. Yeah, this replay. Thought you were hopping on the. Thought you were hopping in the game tonight. Hopping on the game. Yeah, I'm gonna hop on the game tonight. I'm gonna hop on the game tonight in a little bit. What's your thoughts on? I don't know what that is. That healthcare thing. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Yeah, you want my chart colors? I got you. This is my canvas color here. Just opened my live account. Hella happy. 16. Finna be a millionaire. On me, bro. You gonna be a millionaire about 18, bro. You got it, bro. You got it. Justin, I appreciate your follow too. All right, this is my canvas settings, and this is my candle setting. I hope you still in here too. All right, no, I haven't traded options yet, but I will. The broker's not ready. The broker's not ready for us to trade some options, bro. I'm about to be taking their fucking money. Just think about it. If I was in an option trade, like, you know how much money this is in the option? Just off this trade, this gold trade I'm in. You know how much fucking money it is? The brokers is not ready, bruh. We about to be taking their money. We about to steal their money. Yeah. Yeah, the setup still sitting Purdy. Right on, Isaiah. I appreciate having you here. I appreciate you even being here, bro. That's love. I appreciate you. If I'm just now getting into this, what's the first thing I should study? AMD. AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, I think is one of the most important things a trader can learn. My freaking headphones not working. Freaking headphones not working. No, I'm not. There we go. I've been feeling pain. What you shorted from the top of what? Bro, I just showed you. See what I'm saying? And this is why I stopped helping people. Like, you can't even get a thank you for helping somebody. Like, you asked for the chart settings. You can't even get a thank you out of nobody. Like, and this is why I'm gonna start doing a mentorship. Like, like that shit is annoying. People don't appreciate nothing that they don't pay for. It could be the littlest things. Like, you can't even get a thank you out of people. People be feeling so obligated in the title for. All right, I ain't even worried about it, bro. Then when y'all gonna have to start paying for the help, they're gonna be like, "What happened for being free?" It's a W. This shit might go back down. That's why I'm gonna stop helping, bro. This shit might want to run up and take this high and dump back off. Yeah. I've been trading for 6 months. This your alt account? What's your real account name? I've been feeling. What's your real account name? Nigga, we made like 15. We made 15 bands tonight. Yeah, whoa. Put niggas on their toes. I ain't never fake that. She said, AK, yeah. Oh, yeah, girl. Yeah, hard work, pays off. I've been feeling paid off. Try to put in. I don't think your message before her show. I don't see it. Yeah, if you texted something else, I didn't see it. You saying you trying to stream on TikTok, like share your screen? Oh, I do it from a desktop. I'm just back testing some I'm just back testing some MNQ right now. I already got some trades going on. I got three setups going on right now. I never play that. It's a AK, yeah. I look, you want to see something. Got this high. Big bullish candle closing out above. I want to see them take this to the 200. I wouldn't want them. That's too much of a risk. So I'll probably have to enter this on a lower time frame. I just want to see them go back up to that. Bro, this is why I don't like back tested on her, bro. You see how... Oh, you can't even see that, dude. The prices are different. Like, You see how price is all the way down here on the daily? Then when you go on the weekly, price is all the way up here. You see you see the difference? And this is why it be like hard sometimes on a date, like trying to do this. This shit just be doing shit, bro. It just be doing stuff, bro. Where did my trade go? Where did my trade? It literally just closed out of a trade. Bro, this is why I don't like backtesting out here. It just does whatever it wants. This is why I don't like backtesting on this joint. That's so annoying, bro. Ah, it's rejecting. Push up. Yep. This would be something that you have to call. You have to follow that one really closely. All right, we're gonna look at the real market for a second. I'm just on TradingView right now, but I right now on my live account I use TradeLocker. No, my strat not just a field. It's part of my strat, but I'm just practicing, trying to get better at it. What you trading? What you trading trades? Live account looking good right now, secrets. Yeah. Gold look good for that reversal right now too. Look at this. Look at this bullish and go. Look at this bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour. Gold about to sell back off. Gold look like it's about to sell back off, dog. I thought I just seen something like run across my freaking face. But this MNQ, I can see why some of y'all like you would have had to get in this earlier. I can see why some of y'all like what the world is it doing. Yeah, you would have had to try to catch this off that FEG. We at the 113 now. I want to see a run up on some derivatives though. Here, I'm gonna look it up on here. Get him up. This thing gonna go up to the to 465. But if they want to run up how they run up derivatives usually, I'm looking at that 200. Looking at, yeah, 750, 23 750. If they want to run up how the derivatives, how they really want to run them on that 200, 23 750. Short term, if I was just like short term, I would probably try to take this to 465, 467. Long term, I would want to stay in this long, at least to this 200. 23 750 ish. That's what I want to see. Nah, I don't use I don't use the VPN or anything. I don't know how to pronounce their name. Atlas Trades, Atlas Trades. I'm trying to figure out what market you talking about, cause I'm probably in a trade on it. That's want to see where you enter, where I entered it. I'm already in. I'm already in trades, bro. I'm already in some swing trades, bro. And you can trade any time frame. You just gotta know how to trade it. You just gotta know how to trade it and what you're looking for. Flash out. Yeah, this is NQ that I was looking at. This is like current. This is like current setup on NQ. This on my live account. Entry here. Stop loss here. So I wanna take this up. I'm just longing this. Turning like a spaceship. I don't know why I didn't go in with a dime. I don't know why I didn't go in with a dime lot. I should have went in with a dime lot. See like a champion. Oh, let me find my phone. Hold up. Somebody probably text me. Hold on. Dang, missed some text messages. Didn't even have my phone next to me. Sorry, brother. Sorry, brother. Because he like a champion. Yeah, like a champion. Is that my fame door? Set my fence door beside you. All right. Anybody got any questions or anything before I get up out of here? Nice little chill night tonight. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. All right, but yeah, we're gonna be letting these trades sit for a minute. Yeah, got this. Everything looking good. Ain't it right here? This is my GBP USD. Go. Yeah, looking good. Everything looking good, like it's holding up. Carlos, I appreciate your follow. All right, y'all. I think I might be done for the night. Yeah. Anybody got any questions or want me to look at anything before I get up out of here? I keep y'all updated on my plays too. I'm gonna be holding these trades until they hit TP. Until they hit TP. So either that's gonna be a couple days, either that's gonna be another week, whatever that might be. We just gonna be saying in them trades until then. But yeah, overall good chill night. Got some good back tested in. Yeah. Hold on. All right, yeah. On that note, if nobody else got anything they want to say, I think I'm done for the night. Already in my setups. Got some back tested in. Thank you, God. Everything looks good right now. Damn. Where's my TP on gold? 32.50. Down there in the 32s. I'm gonna be riding this out. Kind of just depends on if you day trading or swing trading. But yeah, I'm gonna be holding it. Yeah, I'm swinging. I'm swinging the hell out of it, bro. That's why I like the live account more than the combine because you can actually You can swing trade and catch the whole move. You don't have to get in, get out. You don't have to play that session to session because some days just be consolidation. So I like being able just to catch that full move. All right, all right. Anything else before I get up out of here, y'all? You caught that 33.69 on me. Still a good entry for you. Yeah, yeah. I would say just just watch what price do these next couple days. I don't expect it to come back up here, but if it does come back up here, I don't expect it to break. I expect it just to dump off from here for now. I got in at 34, 34.27, so I got a little bit more. I got a little bit more grace. Yeah, I got a little bit more grace. But I think you're gonna look good. What you targeting? I don't. Are you swing trading or day trading? What you targeting? Yeah, I think it goes back down from. I would expect it to go back down here because I see this bearish engulfing candle right here. So I don't think that's bad. I'm guessing your stop loss is above this swing high, 33.77 ish. Hold on, I'm about to actually run it, bro. Okay, I would say be careful because of this. What price is doing right now? We accumulated. We just manipulated to the downside. I would want to dump off because of this bear. I keep wanting to say bullets. This bearish engulfing candle right here, but if price decides to just do the AMD and play it out, price can come back up and take out these highs before distributing back down lower. But it's kind of just tricky, right? It's kind of a little tricky in a way because it's like, yes, we rejected off this FVG. We just got this bearish engulfing. I personally would expect price to drop. And that's looking at the 4 hour. But if you look at the 1 hour, you see on the hourly price created these equal highs and lows. And if you know AMD, usually when price sweeps the low, we come back and collect the high. So that's what I would be worried about. Yeah, just monitor it. But if it come collect the high, just look and see where it might reject off from because I still think it will continue back down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's keep an eye on it. But I got y'all. But alright, y'all. Nice, cool live. Um, I love all the love and support. I really do appreciate every single one of y'all. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for even joining my live. God bless you. I just thank God for even allowing you to find my channel. So I just hope y'all stay along for the ride. All the new people, y'all like finding me at a good time too. Like starting to make some money. Starting to make some money now. So things should get really interesting soon. So just trying to stay focused, trying to keep following the fundamentals. Try not try not to rush any setups or force a setup, but just taking good A plus long turkey leg setups, bro. Then we're gonna be scaling this live account up to a 6 figure account. I just thank y'all. I thank God. I know my boy Secret Insert. I thank Seekers too. Shit, I appreciate y'all. But all right, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna head out for the night, and maybe I'll do a back testing session. Maybe I'll do a back testing session sometime this weekend. I probably won't do a back testing session tomorrow night. Shit, maybe I will. Shit, maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Look, it's the weekends. I usually don't go. It kind of just depends on the weekends if I go live Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But I'll probably do like a little back testing session one of these days. My favorite thing to trade, Nasdaq and M. I said Nasdaq and MNQ. The same thing. Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq and gold are my favorite to trade. So yeah. All right. Anything else before I get up out of here? Anything else? Anything else? But y'all know where to find me if y'all need me. Discord and everything in my bio. Oh, somebody asked for my Instagram. It's all in my bio. Everything in my bio. Which is more versatile. Probably gold. Honestly, gold is better for. I feel like gold is better for swing trading. M&Q is better for like session trading. So it kind of just depends on what you're looking for. Gold is a little bit better to catch some longer moves, in my opinion. But yeah, if you need me, yeah, just hit me up, DM me. I appreciate y'all again. Like how long? How long I've been holding for? I've been holding gold for 2 days. 2 days. M&Q. Everything else for a day. Yeah, I've been holding gold for like 2 to 3 days, something like that. 2 to 3 days. Yep. Yep. I do think gold gonna keep going. Yep. I'm gonna keep holding it. I'm gonna keep holding gold. I think it's gonna keep going. I'm looking at this. I'm more curious of what it's gonna do right here. If it might want to take out these highs right here, because it created equal highs and lows. But I also see this bearish engulfing here. So that's like two different signals right here. We can either get a continuation, or we can sweep this high, then continue back lower. So I would want to one of those two. One of those two. Mm-mm-mm. But yeah. All right, y'all. I'm about to get up out of here. I keep freaking yapping, but I appreciate y'all. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the support. Uh, shit. Just stick around for the journey. We starting to make profit now, so God is good all the time. I really do appreciate y'all. And stay focused. Stay on your grind, cause your time will come. Your time really will come, and you will start seeing your progress, and you really will start making your profit. For really keep your head down and really stay focused, man. Don't give up. That's why a lot of traders lose, because they always give up when it gets hard. You're not going to win every trade. You're not going to have a 100% win rate. SC, I appreciate your follow. Appreciate your follow. But yeah, looking good. We making profit. Yeah, been holding this gold for a minute. All right, I'll show y'all these other little quick little things right quick. So this is the gold trade we've been holding for a while. Nice trade. We still gonna be holding that. We got our Nasdaq trade that we've been holding right here for the long. That's in a green bean too. Then we got JBP USD. We enter here, and that's a green bean too. Everything in a motherfucking green bean. Everything in a green bean. Couple hundred now. I just flipped 50 to a couple hundred this week. Yep. I started my live account this week, but started with 50. Then yeah. Doubled it, tripled it, flipped it. We doubled it, flipped it, tripled it. Bro, I keep freaking yapping, bro. All right, y'all. All right, I'm getting up out of here. I'm getting up out of here. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the support. If you need me, you know where I'm at. You know where I'm at, man. Just DM me. Ask me any questions you might have. And yeah. Dang. Every time I have to get up out of here. How easy is TA start? What you mean TA start? TA start. What is TA? JB, I appreciate your follow. What do you mean? How easy is it to start? I mean, it's easy to start, but it's not easy to continue. It's not. Day trading isn't easy at all. It's a physical skill. Yeah, your journey won't be easy. Like I was studying. Like that's the thing. People don't even know. Like I study when I'm at work. Like I'm studying 16 plus hours a day. I mean, I haven't been studying that much anymore, but I was. I'm seeing profit now, but man, when you starting and trying to get the hang of it, studying all the time, dude. Eat, sleep, drink. The only thing I think about is charts, bro. Everything I look at look like dollar signs and charts, bro. Currently down 55. Yeah, you looking at meme coins, bro. Don't trade meme coins right now. You don't trade meme coins right now. Yeah, this ain't meme coin trading time. Yeah, don't trade meme coins right now. I say going to plus you're going to business school next year. Congratulations, bro. You got it. I would honestly say you can start into Forexes. Look into it. I trade Forex and I trade indices, so I trade gold and the M&Q. So, but I would say just do your own research. I don't want to tell you do trade one or the other, but I trade, like I said, I trade gold and I trade the M&Q. Yeah, I wouldn't be trading on meme coins, bro. Yeah, you don't trade meme coins. If anything, if you're gonna trade any crypto, you trade XRP, Bitcoin, those things. You know, not meme coin. Yeah. And also, if you going to school, like make your schedule like you can still trade at night, but make your class schedule good enough so where you do have some downtime where you can study the charts and actually physically trade. Yeah. All right. Any more questions before I get up out of here? Every time I'm about to get up out of here. Any more questions? Or forever hold your peace. Or forever hold your peace. All right. I'm gonna take that as no more questions. I appreciate y'all. I keep saying this, but I appreciate y'all. Thank God for the love and support. Stay around for the journey. Stay stay around for the journey, cause yeah, we making profit now, baby. We making that profit now, baby. You can make one motherfucker make 1K in one day, bro. Wait. Hold on. How you gonna ask me a question? You say wait, then you gonna tell me to read it? Do I look like a motherfucking dog to you? You talking about some read it? You could start one. Yeah, you can make 1K in a week. I mean, he said read it like I'm a motherfucking dog. No, I'm just giving you a hard time, Mills. I got you. Starting with 100. Yeah, I started with 50 and tripled it, doubled it, tripled it, flipped it. So you can most definitely start with 100. I mean, what's the word, Kels? I didn't even know you was in here. Hey man, I'm about to stop helping y'all too, dude. I was helping out earlier. I can never get a thank you. Like giving away information for free. I never get a thank you. So y'all about to hate me really soon because y'all about to start having to pay for a mentorship. Think I'm lying. Think I'm lying. I'm about to start a mentorship. Y'all gonna have to pay me, bro. No me. I don't ever say thank you. William, I appreciate your follow. What was the most you made from this? Don't even worry about it. Just follow progress and you'll see. Just got on here. Oh, you just got on here. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm. Dude, you just got on here. I'm about to get off. can I help you emotion? Yeah, shit. Watch my videos, YouTube videos. Watch my videos, and just watch my lives. I mean, I'm always teaching. Every live I do, I'm always teaching something. I'm always teaching something. Oh, sorry. On me, Kales. On me. On me. That's what I'm doing. Everybody get in early. I've been saying it for a couple months. I've been saying it for a couple months. Learn with me for free. Because once I start making profit, I will start a mentorship. And guess what I'm doing? I'm making profit now. So I'm about to start a mentorship pretty soon. And I'm not about to be giving away all this information for free anymore. Like, I never got to thank you. I never like it's only a handful of people who came back to me and was like, bro, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Everybody else, they feel obligated. Like, they feel like I'm supposed to give you the information, then get mad when I don't give it to you. Okay? Okay. And JB, don't force a setup. Don't force a setup. You got it. Take your time. Don't force a setup. You're gonna find one. You're gonna find a good setup. Don't force it. Do not force it. Yeah. Shit, profit's already coming, Kels. But on God, more of profit gonna be coming. Looking for gold to hit London. I've been trying to invest with crypto. Okay, you've been trying to invest with crypto. I wouldn't invest in crypto now. There's gonna be a drop coming soon. I predict a drop coming soon in crypto. A lot of people go invest in crypto right now. You always, even with stocks, you buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. And if you've been following crypto, we're at basically kind of at a high right now. So I expect a pullback. I expect all crypto and everything to drop. Then then I will be buying in. Looking for gold to hit London lows from yesterday. I'm swing trading this gold. I'm looking for gold to pop all the way down to his previous quarter that we left from. So I'm looking all the way down here. I'm swing trading it all the way down here. So I'll be holding this trade until it ever hit it. It can be a week, it can be a month. I don't care. I'm in it though. I'm in it. Give it a shot time. It's not gonna be in a green bean. On me, it's not gonna be a green bean every time. It's not gonna be a green bean every time. I think I did 2 pennies, 2 penny lots, 1 penny lot. I think I did 1 penny. Yeah, I think I'm in 1 penny lot right now. I'm in a penny lot right now. AI screen. I don't know what that is. AI screenshot. I don't know what that is. Man, to a lot of people who I know. Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. I think I seen a video of that. Like, some dude was in class and he took a screenshot of his chart. I don't do that shit. How did I get started? YouTube University. YouTube University would be your best friend. On me, ain't no easy way. On me, I was just about to say, a lot of people want the easy way. A lot of people want the easy way. Whatever works for you, though. Probably, maybe eventually down the line, mess around and create a little AI bot using using the strategy and stuff. But I don't know. I like to be the one physically making the trades and being on the chart. Bro, I keep freaking talking. Look, every time I'm about to get off live, I keep freaking talking, y'all. I'm supposed to get on Rainbow right now. Cause of you in here, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. Every time. Look, every time. Look, I need to stop asking y'all, did y'all got questions for me, and just get off her. Thoughts on silver and gold ratio. Silver and gold ratio. What do you mean? What do you mean silver and gold ratio? Silver and gold ratio. Silver and gold. Why does having a strategy matter so much? That's like asking why having a coach in a sport is important. Why lifting weights in the gym is important. If you don't lift weights in the gym, you won't get stronger. If you don't have a strategy, you won't get better. If you don't have a coach, you won't win a game. Come on, dog. On me. It's like that's like asking why would you put chocolate chips in a chocolate chip cookie? Because it won't be a chocolate chip cookie if you don't have chocolate chips in that hole. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm in 3 trades right now. Swing trading. Gold, MNQ, and gold, Nasdaq, and GP. So gold trade, I entered in at 34.27. I'm riding it down, swing trading it down. Nasdaq, I entered in 23.202. Riding it up. What the hell was that? GBP, I entered in at 1.35 and riding it down. Yeah, this is a live price. I mean, routine. You take silver price and divide it by gold price and put it in a chart. Yeah, I don't do all that. I don't know. I don't know about all that. No silver gold ratio, dividing no prices and nothing like that. Yeah, shit, I don't know. This is my first time ever hearing that. Silver price divided by gold price and put it on a chart. I've never heard of that. I've never heard of that. You learn something new every day. On me. That is hella funny. Alright, damn. Alright, this is gonna be my last time asking. Anybody else got anything they want to say before I get up out of here? What time is it? I'll give it until 10:40. It's 10:39. It's common to do it with crypto too. Yeah, I've never heard that. I've never heard of dividing. Yeah, you learn something new every day. I've never heard of that. What's the purpose of it though? Why would you divide it? Yeah, what's the purpose of dividing it though? My profit is like a couple hundred. My loss is like $30. Yeah, my loss is like $30, $40. Profit in the hundreds. All right, can I get on the game now, y'all? Can I chill? No, Kels. No, for real. Shit. Damn. Look, I'll be trying to help y'all out as much as I can. I keep saying I'm gonna start helping, but I keep helping y'all, man. Look, I keep helping y'all, man. I got a kind heart. I just got a kind soul. I want to help y'all out as much as I can, but man, I'm about to start a mentorship soon, but I can't. I don't even get a thank you. I can't even get a pat in the back. I can't even get a thumbs up. Dang, people do not respect the free information, bruh. They just run. Tell me where it's going. I'm like, all right, it's selling. We'll make money. They don't even say thank you. Thank you for the play last night. Thank you for helping me make money. Thank you for helping me pass a. Man, get the hell out of here, man. You don't deserve my help no more. No, I appreciate your follow. No, for real. Where do I enter? Do I enter now? Look, and I'll be nice too. I'll be helping y'all out as much as I can. Don't nobody ever say thank you. They just make money off the play that I call or just copy trade. Shit, nigga, if you copy trade, at least say thank you for helping you make money. Shit, I'm about to start taking a 90-10 split on y'all, man. I need 10%. I need 10%. Yeah, I've never heard of that, Noah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that. Oh, me, can I see your hourly chart? No, Kels. Oh, me, that's how they were last chart. That's how they was last live. He gonna ask, can I see the 4 hour? Can I see the daily? Can I see the 1 hour? Bro, if you don't open up your own chart and look at your own chart, what the hell? John, I appreciate your fun. I appreciate your follow. See, nerd, I mess with you, nerd. I mess with you, nerd. You welcome, nerd. You welcome. You freaking nerd. You freaking dweeb. You freaking twat. Let me stop. Look, can I even say that on live? You freaking dweeb. Get the hell out of here, you freaking dweeb. It's more fun to look together. Well, what point? Okay, it might be more fun to look together, but that doesn't benefit me. Cause shit, I might know what I'm looking at, but who the hell are you to me? You a random person asking me to help you. What benefit does that give for me? If you asking me for help, motherfucker, you don't even know what you're looking at. Share. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Oh, me. Good stuff, John. Oh, me. Make your money, bro. Make your money. Shit, I'm cool on that, user, but you make your money too. On me. How about you tap into your own bot and you make some money off of it? On me. Don't even share that hoe. You make your own money off that hoe. On me. Shit, if I have a bot, I'm not sharing a bot. If that bot printed money, bro, I'm not sharing a bot. What the hell? I'm gonna say, go watch a YouTube video. Go learn a fair value gap or something. Yeah. Oh, me, user. Make your money then. Make your money then. If I do anything but it'll be my own. What you mean gold or no? Yeah, I'm trading gold. Alright, bro. Alright. I'm answering these last questions and I'm getting up out of here. Look. I got until 10:45 and I'm out of here. I keep saying it. Gold or no? What are you asking? Look, I'm gonna ask this last question. Just what do you mean by gold or no? If you made 6K today, why are you in my live even watching me? Nigga, you should be out somewhere. Shouldn't you be in your penthouse somewhere? Chilling? You shouldn't even be here. You shouldn't even be here enjoying the live. Shit, if you up 6K, you think I'm gonna be on TikTok? Nigga, what the hell? If I make 6K in a day, do you really think I'm gonna be sitting here on TikTok watching a nobody yap on the screen? No. Oh no, you don't gotta prove nothing to me. But that's shit. I'm just saying. That's how I would be. Shit, I wouldn't be here. Shit. Shit. My feet would be kicked up, smoking a something, chilling. Gold or NQ. I trade both. I like both of them. It kind of just depends on what you want to do. I think NQ is better for kind of like your session trading. Then I think gold is better for swing trading. Yeah. But yeah, keep making your money, bro. Keep doing your thing out there. Good stuff. How I split the screen. It's in the TikTok studio. Bro, okay. Look, I'm done. I'm done talking. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. If you need me, just DM me. I shall hopefully do a backtesting session this weekend sometime. But shit, on me, cuz I'm done talking to y'all. I'm out of here. Shit. Next time I help you for free, just say thank you. Shit. Give a brother a thank you. Give a brother a thumbs up. Like you could text me. Give me a thumbs up or something, man. Damn. Like y'all must want me to make y'all charge. I mean, make y'all pay. Y'all must want me to make y'all pay. And that's exactly what I'm about to make y'all do. Cause, okay. You know me? Yes, Lord. Y'all about to have to pay. Cause motherfuckers don't even say thank you no more. Hey. All right, I'm out of here.